What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to talk about how to set up Klarna on Shopify. Integrating Klarna into your Shopify store is a straightforward process that enhances customer payment options, allowing for flexible and convenient shopping experience. This guide will walk you through creating a Klarna merchant account, activating the payment method in Shopify, verifying the setup, and optionally adding on-site messaging to inform customers about Klarna services, ensuring a seamless checkout experience. Step 1. Create a Klarna merchant account. To begin, visit the Klarna website and sign up for a merchant account using your business email and Shopify URL. Once registered, log into Klarna Merchant Portal to generate your API credentials. This process involves navigating to Settings section and downloading a file containing your API credentials, which you will need later for integration. Step 2. Log into Shopify. Next, access your Shopify admin panel by logging in with an account that has owner permissions. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it, then select Payments from the Settings menu. This area allows you to manage various payment methods for your online store. Step 3. Add Klarna as payment method. In Payment section, scroll down to find the additional payment methods. Click on Add Payment Methods, then use the search bar to find Klarna. Select it from the list and click Activate. You will be prompted to enter the API credentials you generated earlier. After entering these details, click Activate again to finalize the integration. Step 4. Verify installation. Once Klarna is activated, it's essential to verify that it works correctly. To do this, add a product to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. During checkout, select Klarna as your payment method. Ensure that Klarna payment page loads without issues, confirming that everything is set up properly for your customers. Step 5. Set up on-site messaging. For enhanced customer experience, consider setting up Klarna's on-site messaging feature. Return to the Klarna Merchant Portal and select On-Site Messaging from the menu. Follow the instructions to install this app into your Shopify store. You can then customize where Klarna messages appear on your product and collection pages by navigating to Online Store, Themes, and then Customize. Setting up Klarna on your Shopify store not only simplifies payment processing but also improves customer satisfaction by offering flexible payment options. By following the outlined steps, you can ensure a smooth integration, enhancing your store's appeal and potentially increasing conversion rates. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.